Children, do you know who is Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan? I tell you. Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan is a philosopher, son of India, gem of India, second president of India. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan was born in 1888 in Tirupati, Andhra Pradesh. He was born to a poor Brahmin family. Children, Sarvepalli is the name of a village which Radhakrishnan's forefathers belonged to. So that is why he is known as Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. Radhakrishnan started his primary education in missionary school. Since his very childhood, he was a very bright student. His teachers loved him. He learned everything by heart in a few seconds. Then he did his BA in a missionary college. He did his MA in philosophy. He submitted his thesis in philosophy too. And now he was Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. After his studies, he wished to go to England, but he could not go as he was to feed his family, to earn and then live here only. So Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan taught as an assistant professor in Presidency College of Chennai, University of Calcutta, Banaras Hindu University. He created Andhra Pradesh University and was Vice Chancellor there. So he earned a great name and fame. He loved his students very much. Dr. Radhakrishnan always thinking that to do job for a family and to earn livelihood is not enough. One must serve the nation and do continuous efforts. So Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan did this research in ancient philosophy, Indian philosophy. He put Indian ancient philosophy to the Western forum, and Western countries also appreciated his way of thinking. So Indian ancient philosophy got a good place at international forum. So Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan was a simple man. He entered political arena of our country. He served full 2 terms as Vice President of India and then second President of India. And children, when Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan was President of India, he used to charpai in Rashtrapati Bhavan also. And he gave major part of his salary every month to the Prime Minister Relief Fund. And during his presidentship, he visited many foreign countries and did diplomatic works. So Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan then retired in 1967. Wrote many books, articles for journals. A few books of him are The Creative Life, Living with a Purpose, True Knowledge, etc. So this is Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. I, myself, all the children and all the citizens of great nation India regard him, bow our head and say salute him. Thank you.